Okay guys, welcome back on my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to pick 3 winners of my VIP Lounge September paper giveaway video. I've done a video exactly, well, I'm filming this on a Monday, you will see this on a Wednesday. So kindly like 2 weeks ago, by the time you watch this, it will be 2 weeks ago. This is the video here. If you go on my channel, you will see giveaway free digital printables for crafting. So what am I going to do, guys? I will use the YouTube random comment pickers. We'll do it together in just a second, and we will pick 3 random winners of my giveaway. On the video, I have told you that the chance to win the papers, you have to tell me what you want to do with the papers in case you won them. Okay, before I show you the before we pick the 3 winners, let me show you this month VIP lounge papers first. So let me show you the number one. Number one is this one here. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I say myself, let me zoom out a little bit. That's it. It's called Cute Cats. So it's 4 pages full of adorable cats. Simple as. So they're all very similar, but yet each page is different. And you've got different flower, different scales. You can do cards. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what I want to do with this. So Cute Cats, number one. Number 2, it's called Graffiti, which is this one here. So it's a bit like inspiration. It's about 19th pop culture. So we've got lovely tones of green and red, some angry cats, a cheeky cat. We've got this page here. As you can see, the color palette is pretty much the same, so all pages blend. And this is page number 4. Let's put some stars. So yeah, so they're all very different, but again, they all match. So this is Graffiti. Collection number 3, which is my favorite one, is called Vintage Dresses. So you get a page with a lovely doll. Look how cute she is. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with all different dresses. So you've got the one on the hangers, the one like that. So they're all super, super cute. Oopsie. Look at that one. The color palette is it's very similar. So it's all these blue and pinks. To that one with a little bow. It's all blend together. Got a couple of ideas of what to do with this paper, so I will showcase it the next coming weeks. And then you get, I haven't got a printout, but I'll show you on my screen on my laptop now. Okay guys, so these are the 5 bookmarks that you will get with this month VIP lounge. It's a little treat. It's an additional gift from me to you guys. The reason why I didn't print them is because it's not something that I will personally use, but I think they are adorable. Especially if you print them on cardstock, and also if you print them front and back, you'll be able to have this double-sided. But I think they're really cute. I will probably use the black and stripe one with the gold hearts, but they're super, super cute. They are my favorite colors, I must admit, because I do like black and white with a bit of gold, and I do like pink and green together. I think they're very bright. They're a bit summery. And also, yeah, they just give you some positive vibes, or I hope they do at least. So you get the flamingo bookmarks as well. And then last but not least, you get the letter E. Okay, so this is the template. I just printed this on a simply copy paper. And this is what it looks like when it's done up. Let me just move this out of the way because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So just gonna turn everything white. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, and there is a private video for all of my VIP members where I share how to make this. Simply like cutting it and then glue the tabs, etc, etc. So this is being designed from the graffiti papers. So far we've got letter A, letter B, letter C. Last month was letter D in August and letter E for September. Okay, so we've done 5 letters so far. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay guys, you saw the papers. Now let's pick the 3 winners. As I said, the only rule, if we want to call it like that, is that you have to tell me in the comments what you would do with the paper. So I'm going to select 3 comments that have that into the texting. So let's pick first winner. Oh, that's me. Of course. Let's pick another winner. Okay, that's me again. Okay, so first winner is Tanya Knight 1201. I adore the cats. I've used them in a lot of things like journal, cards, ephemera. The pop art I will give to my niece who just started college for art, and she will love to use these in her artwork. And the paper dolls have a lot to use, as like to add the doll's house, making them interactive in a journal, which is what I love to make, or make interactive like in a puppet show type style for kids. Lots of possibilities. Thank you for the chance to win. So well done, Tanya. And winner number 2 is me again. Johanna Goldenberg. Oh my god, the cats are so cute. I can hardly stand it. The graffiti is so much fun. I have always loved paper dolls. This one and the dresses are so sweet. Unimaginably, I will just cut her and her clothes to play with. The cats will become cards for fellow cat lovers, and the graffiti will become journal covers. That's a really great idea. I might pinch that. And I'm absolutely sucker for pretty bookmarks, I must say. Thank you for the opportunity to win. So well done, Joanna. And winner number 3 is me again. I'm very lucky today. Me. Yeah, because this random comment select my comment when I reply to you guys. Oh, Joanne. Wow. Okay. Cats. Love the cats. Perfect for junk journals. I'm doing for my daughter plus the bonus E for my granddaughter in the pop culture papers for bits. So APT for her room. Good luck all. Okay, so 2 Joannes and well done to Tanya too. So guys, thank you so much for entering the giveaway. This is my way to say thank you to every single one of you, and we do this once a month. So I give the chance to all of you guys to play with my VIP lounge paper subscriptions. So if you wish to join, I will put the links down below. It's a very great subscription. I have lots of feedback from my existing VIP members. I will put some of the comments on the screen now so you guys can see what my VIP members have to say. Guys, thank you so much. I will see you on Friday for another Friday freebie. And until then, stay safe and well. Bye.